So if you've ever been looking for a view property here in Ventura, well, you can often find views of either the city, the ocean, and possibly the Channel Islands or views of the Conejo grade. So when you can find a property that has all of those views, in fact, all three, well, you've truly found a view-topia property. And it just so happens that 102 Via Baja in Ventura is just such a property. Now, anyone that lives in Ventura knows that views here can be subject to weather. So on clear days, you can enjoy spectacular views from Conejo grade to the Channel Islands. And this half-acre plus mid-century ranch home is privately perched in the Ondulando hillside neighborhood, just at the end of Via Baja. And the property features over 5,000 square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms, a den, 4 baths, semi-enclosed pool and patio area, and of course, a 6-car garage. Now, I should mention that the Ondulando neighborhood is one of the first certified FireWise communities that has taken a proactive approach to wildfire safety here. Now, this may be helpful when talking to your insurance broker. All right, so before we take the tour of inside the house, I just wanted to mention 3 of my favorite things about this property. Number 1, the location. I love this tucked away south-facing location that allows you to enjoy the sunrise and the sunsets from the privacy of either your backyard or inside living areas. Number 2, my favorite rooms are the family room and living room that features vaulted tongue and groove beam ceilings and expansive windows that really invites the outside to the inside. And it adds that open and airy feeling that you often look for in a house. Number 3 is the mid-century vibe. There are 2 items of interest here. One is the architectural feature that you find in the entry and the family room that helps create depth, dimension, with layers of interest as you enter the home. The second is found just off the family room, and that's that hidden wet bar that captures some of the bygone era of the swinging 60s of my parents' generation. So with that, let's take a look inside. All right, so if you want to see a floor plan of this property or even get more information, you can click the link below. Otherwise, if you are interested in seeing this property in person, just give us a call or a text. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all things real estate for Ventura and the surrounding areas, well, just hit the subscribe, like, and bell icon. Thanks.